see, this is...
So where do we go? We go this way? Oh,
yeah, this is the part I really like. Yeah, that's the way you can... So, like, you basically choose how far you want to go, which is a nice part of it. Oh, yeah. There is?
Yeah, it's on the ground though, so yeah.
I'll be right back. So I've just gone off and checked out a different trail that we found. And I'm just going to the bathroom really quick, and then I'm going to go back and see what my dad's doing. And we're going to check out the other part of the trail. Some of my favorite parts of the trail are where we're going next, so please enjoy. Yeah. It's a train. Where I just was, I didn't even walk the whole trail. It goes like way up. Goes way back. So this part I really don't understand. There's this bridge here, but it's like cautioned off. But then like you can just walk right there. So I don't know if it used to be like a creek. Like the creek used to go right through there.
Oh, it does.
Oh yeah, look at it. Right here.
Yeah, they put a sewage pipe in is what they did. There's a pipe there now. Right there, it's black.
Oh.
See it? So there probably wasn't a pipe at that time. With the bridge.
Oh yeah, right there's the other side of the pipe.
Yeah.
So that's why they had the bridge. So this part goes like way uphill.
No hunting. Yeah.
What was that? There's a lot of those black squirrels. Up. That goes out.
Oh.
This will go out too. There's a bunch of different. This is where the rope starts.
That's it there.
Oh yeah. The last time I was here, this has got a caution sign on it too.
Well, it probably is.
It's a nice view. I'll bring out a couple chairs and just sit here. See, you can even go right down in there.
Yeah, see the tree moving down there?
Probably about to see some deer.
Yeah. Look at this tree.
Wow. What? There's so many black squirrels back here. See right there, you can go out. Is that a gunshot?
This is the last weekend you can like. Next weekend's gun season. So like that's why I wanted to go up to Mike's this weekend and shoot. Because you're really not supposed to shoot. Yeah, see, this isn't Jacob's Brook, but you see it on down to it. So you see, Logan, that's dead. Be careful. I don't want it to fall. What you're leaning on. Our voice is recording this whole time.
Yeah, but it won't.
So this flows into Jacob's Brook. You see how it's fed?
Oh, yeah.
Block over there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. We didn't spread. Well, I guess we did a little.
What?
See a little bit of hay?
Oh, you put it along the trail?
Yeah, not the whole trail,
Oh, yeah,
though.
you can see it right here.
This is the main part that we did it in. It was all through down here. Wow, this looks...
Yeah, they was so it won't turn
This-
into mud.
Because this is the spot that gets really muddy.
And then-
So-
yeah, look, it's right here.
This
See
is...
it?
It, like, started back there. And then, like,
Yeah,
they
mud.
wanted us
Wait,
to do it all around here.
hey, will turn this way.
So we brought a wheelbarrow up and down. I'll show you up here. Like, I don't even know how many times we did it. But one of the things, they gave us an actual wheelbarrow. And then they gave us like a trailer to a mower, and we had to drag a trailer to a mower down here.
Oh, like a little trailer?
Yeah, but like, it wasn't even a plastic one. It was a metal one.
That one? Yeah.
Actually, I think it might be up there. See, that's what that hill right there. That's what we came up and down.
Oh, I got it.
We didn't go there. They didn't let us go this way.
This goes back to where the sculptures are.
Oh
That
yeah.
side, because we practiced with us over here, for the girls.
Yeah, right there's a sculpture. You wanna go back that way?
Yeah, this ground up here is really uneven. That's probably another reason why they didn't touch the come through here. It is. It's really bad over in there. So like we would.
They also didn't
we would
even-
keep a lot of the girls off of that. That must not be community property.
There's hay here though, and I don't remember.
Maybe you didn't do that. Yeah, there's a front.
Yeah, there was a lot of
So
different.
that must not be community center land. Oh, that's the. Oh no, that's the horse. Yeah, people have horses. That's,
Over there?
yeah, believe it or not, there's a barn. Because Mom and Dad lived on North Main.
Yeah.
So, like, we used to, you know, yeah, right here, Tim.
Oh, yeah.
Right there's the barn. You see the little red barn?
Uh-huh.
There's one there, but that's the one with the horse. The horse is out back. You can barely see him, but he's walking.
Oh, yeah. So right here's the wagon that I was talking about that we dragged the hay with. This lifts up. Rusty old wagon. And somebody would grab it here, and then two people would push it from the back. And then we'd have to push it down the hill. As you can see, that's all the hay that we didn't end up using. Right down that hill here. We would drag it and then spread the hay down there so it wouldn't get muddy. Here's the box. There's the sculpture that we were showing you over there. And the trail, it goes way down that way like I was showing you. Now, I started the video, I'd say, it like around my favorite part of the trail. So some of the trail, maybe I'll do more content about this again if you guys really like it. Most of the trail, most of it's down farther in the woods, but a little bit of it, like where it starts over here, past the box there, is really like high up. But once you get down in, so it doesn't start over here, it starts over there. Starts over here, actually. Gotta get going. Thanks for watching.